All right, today's going to be a little different video. I forgot my 360 camera at home, so all I have is my phone. I am back on the vein where I was yesterday, last Wednesday. You'll see that's the Motherlode vein. This brown layer right there, that's the sandstone and quartz. And then this is the rock, the andesite, wherever it is. The andesite right there, that's in my way, so I'm going to dig that out first. Put new teeth on the bucket today because this rock just wears it down. So today's video, much different quality, but if we're finding gold, it don't matter which camera I'm using. Okay, Rick, tell me what's happening.
Well, we've been digging and doing some metal detecting, and we just hit a hot spot.
Yeah, and how many pieces of gold have you ever found with a metal detector?
None.
How long have we known each other?
25 years.
I'm fucking ashamed of you. 25 fucking years. We've been on TV together.
Yeah.
I bought my very first gold when I started selling gold on Goldbay.com from you because I was crazy enough to drive up to your mine and not get shot. And now here we are. Payback, baby.
Yeah, fun.
All right.
That's a good one. All right.
Let's see what you got. Where do you think it is?
Looks like it's right back in here.
It's a little closer to you, right? Now go up a little bit to your left. Yeah, right there.
You think
that
so?
That knob of quartz, yeah.
Oh yeah. All right.
So chip that out onto that little shelf below.
It's got this guy right there, right?
Yeah, it's right below that. So yeah, get that out of the way. And one of the #1 questions I get asked, Dave, can I come work with you? Like, no, but you can win a trip with me on Conmigo. I am giving away one prospecting trip.
Stuff is slipping hard, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, pry that little piece of quartz that wants to come out. There you go. That'll probably have your target in it.
Sounds like it.
So here. So you're getting your zipper and everything else right now.
Okay.
And probably your hand too. Do you have a metal buckle on your sleeve?
I don't, but I have a watch on.
Yeah, that's what's doing it.
Okay. There's some stuff to pay attention to.
Yeah. So check the wall again first.
Okay. Check the wall again first.
Yep. Put that in here. Okay, so turn the coil over. Just turn the metal detector coil, and I'm going to run this over it. Nothing in there.
Okay.
That's your watch. Put all the dirt in the scoop. Nothing. Yeah, your watch will...
Why don't I take the watch off?
Yeah, Brian did it with his wedding ring.
Sure.
He kept on running the scoop over it. There's a video on YouTube about that. I laughed so hard when I realized what he was doing.
There we go.
Roy. The more you move it, the more you're going to hear the signal.
Okay.
So you want to take the coil again. I want to give you kind of a lesson, and this will help people out. So you want to go past the target and then come past the target. Roy.
All right. Yeah, it does make it, you can pinpoint it a little bit more. So right there.
Yep. Okay, yeah, there you go. So put that in here and then run that over the scoop or the coil. Okay, so you want to put that down here. You never want to get rid of your dirt just in case. You want to check it again.
Okay.
So run the coil over it again.
Well, it's getting a little louder.
Deeper, baby, deeper. Roy.
Whoops. There's a little more to this than it looks like on your videos, Dave.
Roy. Okay, run that over the coil. Back and forth, yeah. Nope. Nothing. Check the wall again. So what you want to do is now angle the coil. Like you want to come at it from all sides and try and figure out where the best. So now you can tell, based on what you just, right there,
Yep.
that's exactly where it is. Shit, you'll be an expert before the week is over. We can actually move all this. We know there's nothing there.
Okay.
And then I always have a shelf where I let stuff fall down too.
Okay. Gotcha.
Because you got to get it out of the hole eventually. There you go. Yeah, just move the pick, move that down onto that shelf down below.
Okay.
And see if it's still in there. Now turn it the other way. So I think you got one out, and I think there's more in there.
Okay.
So check that shelf now with the detector. Do you have implants in your knees? Do you have stainless steel implants in your knees?
Titanium knees. Yeah.
That's what you're picking up.
Okay, well, you know, I should have thought about that. I have titanium shoulders as well. We're going to have to be a little careful.
Yeah.
All right.
Still in there, baby. That's good. Roy, you incessant. Okay, so check. You want to check with your detector often. Now turn the coil a bit flat. Now check the pile down below. There's something there.
There's something there.
Put only half a scoop in. It's way better to start with half a scoop. No. Okay, check the shelf again. You can put you can drop that dirt. So I'm going to give you an advanced lesson.
Okay.
That coil cover, it's meant to rub on the ground.
Okay.
That dirt in the corner into the scoop. Now I'm going to give you this back.
Okay.
That's good. You have it. Don't move your foot. Now, so you want to take half the scoop, put it in your left hand, and then run the scoop over the coil. And the scoop. Okay, so you can drop the dirt on the ground.
This dirt.
Yep.
That's it?
Half a scoop. Yep. Yep. Half a scoop. Okay, so empty the scoop onto the ground. Pour half out of your hand.
Oh, half of it, yeah.
You just always keep breaking it down
Right.
until you...
Makes sense?
Yep. So half.
No, I think I see it. It's in my hand.
Drop the scoop. Drop the dirt. If you think you see it, pick it out. Run it over the coil. You're running your whole hand over the coil.
Well, where the hell did it go?
I don't know. Run the scoop over the coil again. Yeah, you dropped it. So now we got to find it.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Hang on. Move your knee.
All right.
You're almost an expert. So it's right. So dump the scoop out, or whatever, that's fine. Yep, right there. Just a little bit, because it's going to be right on the surface. Okay, now run the scoop over that. Okay, you have it again. So do the same thing over again.
Okay.
Let's put this down on the ground. There you go. This video is going viral. Drop the shit out of your hand, yeah. Okay, you have it in your hand. Half of what's in your hand, and run that over the coil.
I see it again. Should be in the scoop.
That's it. Drop it in the scoop. Run it over the coil. Stick it in your mouth. I don't believe you until I see yellow. I'm a fucking bad influence.
This is fun as shit, man. Here it is.
There is your very first piece of Motherlode gold.
Dude, that is awesome. How fun.
How was that? And there's more in there. Camo's coming to say congratulations.
Camo. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
All right, not my normal camera, but we still get to dig some gold. There's another loose nugget. You're not coming tomorrow.
It wasn't me. You're the one making him mad.
Oh, I guess I should have the camera over here. I forgot I'm not using my 360. There we go. Look at that geology. I hope it's still in here. Another one in there.
I think so, you're right.
But there's sounds good. It's that big bitch.
Wow.
So somewhere in that quartz vein there's gold. Love it. Can't put that one in my mouth. You can see the gold right there on the end. Oh, look at that. You can see the bright yellow right there. Yeah, that's a solid piece of quartz with gold all through it. Oh, look at that. I just broke that little piece off. Gold on it. Now it goes in a pocket.